This is a 2006 Chevy Malibu, 3.5 liter, and my fuel door broke. First it was real loose, and then I started messing with it, and it came off. I could pull it out. I'm glad it didn't happen while I was on the road. So what I did is I jacked the car up, put it on jack stand, and I had my safety goggles on. I took the tire off, the wheel off. You don't have electric impact or air impact. You want to loosen the lug nuts while it's still on the ground. This is my fuel door that broke, and what happened is there was a rod that goes across here, and it rusted through, and I just broke. I think it like they screwed in. I'm not sure, but it kind of. I just unscrewed with a pair of pliers. I unscrewed both the ends. It broke in the middle. So what I did is I went to I think it was Lowe's, and I got some 6 30-second nuts and a rod, and then I just cut off a section of it and put it through there. It actually kind of like threaded in, but then I could just pull it out again. And then I put the nuts on the end, and I've getting ready to take the liner out of the wheel well. So I put some Loctite on the tighten the nuts down and put some Loctite, and this is what the inside of the. So I looked from the wheel well, and you can't really get to it. And then this whole unit here it's riveted on. I can drill them out, but I'm gonna see if I can get the. I don't know if you can see that in there. Right there all the way on the right, that's what the door hooks onto. And I mean, I guess I could take this whole assembly out. Like I said, I have to drill out those 2 rivets. But let me see if I can hook the door on there without having to do that. I think this is the way it goes, and then it hooks into the tab on the frame. You have to drill out both these rivets, unless you have a bolt there, and then you also have to take out the bolt that goes into here through the filler cup. I think it's that one down there at the bottom. It's either that or that one. And then this sort of like fits into the fuel door. And this is what the whole finished fuel door should look like. So there's a spring, and it hooks in there, and then it hooks in there, and it rides on that rod that I put through there. I also put some thread sealant, or Loctite, I guess. So when you put a bolt and a nut in these to hold this in, the fuel filler cup or whatever it's called, you can reach both of these. Once that's in, you can reach them from the back. So you can reach them. Next, put the door on loosely. Then put the door on and tighten it down. Tighten the bolts down, or nuts, or bolts and nuts. Then put the filler inside back in, and then put that one bolt that goes in there. It's actually a screw with a nut head on it. Put the wheel liner in and put the wheel on it, and you're done.